Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. What are we doing today, guys? Homemade carrot juice. You know the routine. Let's get it now. Alright guys, we are making very simple, again, an easy homemade carrot juice. In my other videos, I just made homemade beet juice, homemade almond milk, homemade celery juice, guys. That's it. Simple ingredients, clean, fresh. We're going to be rocking today. I have about 3 cups of carrots, guys, okay? We're just going to go ahead and put them in a blender. This is not a high-speed blender. This is like a 600 watt. I have a little bit of heat, a little bit of cayenne, and a little bit of fennel, okay? Fill it to about 3/4, just like I did the other ones, guys. Pour it in there, maybe just a little bit more, okay? 3 minutes, blend it, we're done. Okay, that's about 3 minutes. Now, additional ingredients you can go ahead and add in here would be apple, ginger, a little bit of celery, cilantro, some oranges, some orange peppers, guys, okay? That would taste very good, but today we're just making pretty much simple carrot juice, okay? So right here, I have a bowl and I have a nut milk bag, okay? I just made 3 of these today. I'm reusing this, didn't stain it, looking good. Another way that I make homemade juice and milks is going to be by the way of this fine mesh strainer. Check out my other videos, guys, okay? I'm gonna put that aside. Go ahead and pop the top off. Take this off. Just pour it right into the nut milk bag, guys. That's all you have to do. Simple and easy. Set that aside. Get the drawstring wherever it's at. Pick it up. Already straining. The pulp is going to be inside the bag, left over. You can go ahead and use that for salads. You can go ahead and make your own burgers, whatever you want to do, okay? But just go ahead and make sure the top is closed on there. Squeeze it, press it down as you're doing it, and turn it. Look at that. That looks crazy good already. Simple ingredients. Clean, fresh, not some xanthan gums, no guar gums, no natural flavors, no nothing like that, okay? Squeeze that like so. See if you can get the most juice out of there like that. Beautiful. Nothing. Not even dripping. Awesome. Put that aside. Wipe my hands. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of sea salt on there like that. Beautiful. Okay? Put that up there. This is a ball jar funnel, okay? So I don't make a mess. Look at that. That looks awesome. Okay? Pour it in there. Just like so. Wow. So I just made the beet juice. I just made the homemade almond milk. I just made the celery juice. I have another one. All within about 2 hours of today. 1, 2, 3, 4. My name is Joseph. Thanks for watching. Be well, be safe. Most of all, be yourself, guys. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys.